Okay guys, we are here on MetaTrader 5. Today we're gonna see how to use this application with your phone. At first we have to go on settings. And to log in to our account, we select the server. And then we sign up with the login and the password. This is a demo account just to show you how to use this application. When we log in, we have this 5 section that are quotes chart, trade history, and settings. This is the quotes page. If we click on the top left, we can change the layout of this section, so we can decide how we want to see this page. And if you click on the pencil on the top right, we can change the order of the page that we have. For example, we can click and drag them down or above. If you select the bar, we can add some pages. From indices, we can select which index we want to add. If we click on metals, we can add the gold. We can decide which pair we want to add to the quotes list in order to be able to open position on these pairs. And as you can see, we have these pairs that we just added. On the chart section, instead we have the chart. We can change the time frame of this chart by selecting on the top left. And we can change the time frame, for example, 50 minutes, 4 hours, or daily as we prefer. If we click on the F, we can add some indicators, for example, Bollinger Bands. And we have the Bollinger Bands in the chart. And if you click again here, we can select Edit. And we can remove them. So now we have again the default chart. In the trade section, we can open trades or check our balance, our equity, our margin. And we see how are our trades going. On the history, we have the trades that we opened recently. We have the positions, the orders, and the deals. And if we click on the top right, we can decide to see the trade of the last week or only the trade made today. Now let's see how to open a trade. We just have to click on the pair we want to trade, and we select trade. From here, we can decide the size of the operation. We can set the stop loss, and we can set the take profit. A very important thing is to select a market execution, a buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, or sell stop. Because if we select market execution and we click on buy, as you can see, the order is now opened. Instead, if we select the buy limit, sell limit, or buy stop, we're not opening the trade instantly, but we are placing an order. Now from here, we can decide to modify the position. For example, we can change the stop loss or the take profit as we prefer, or we can decide to close the position. We can close the whole position. So in this way, we close 0.1 with the loss of about $5. Instead, we can decide to close just half of the position. So we select 0.05. We click on close. And now half of the position is still working and half of the position has been closed. We can close the whole position now. And let's see the buy limit and sell limit. Buy limit and sell limit are some orders. This means that if we decide to click on place, we won't have the order working now but will be open later. So you have to remember that a buy limit is a buy order placed below the current price. So if currently the price is 1.07 for 9, we can set a price below this current price. So for example, 1.07, we can decide to set a stop loss or a take profit. Or also we cannot set it. We can change the size of the position. So for example like this, we click on place and we have our order. The holder has been placed. In fact, if we see on the chart, we have this buy limit with the size of the position and the price that your $1 needs to reach in order to open our position. If we click on the order on the chart, we can also modify it manually, so we can move it down or above the price that we set at the beginning. We click on continue. We select modify, and the order has been modified. Now also from here, you can see that we changed the price that we set at the beginning with a new price. We can click and delete the order. A sell limit instead is a sell order placed above the current price. Also from here, we have to select a price above the current price. You can change always the size of the position. We click on place and we have our order. A buy stop instead is a buy order placed above the current price. So also here, we have to select a price above the current price like this. And we have our buy stop placed. And the sell stop is a sell order placed below the current price. we click on place, and on the chart we have our buy stop and our sell stop. Guys, this is how to use MetaTrader 5. I hope that everything is clear. If you didn't understand something or you still have some doubts, you can write a comment below and we will answer you. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and let's see in the next one.